for round 17 of the Vodacom United Rugby Championships against Leinster. Kickoff for that one is 6:30 South African time. Without any wasting any time, Manus, I see your hand is up. You may open us up with the first question.
Hallo almal, hoop dat dit goed gaan. Ja, daar's 'n Marnus hier. So daar's 'n Morney dalk net eerstens daarso vir jou. Daar's jy moet nogal seker uitsien daarso oor die winde daarso om daar's moontlik daar's Gibson Park hier weer daar te jol. Ons is nou nie seker of hy daar gejol nie. Maar ek wil dit moet ook 'n lekker rigtingwyser om vir jou wees om daarso met daar's Gibson Park weer daarso baie hoog daar geag word daarso Morney.
Hallo Marnus. Ja, yes. Jameson is een van die beter skramskakels in die wêreld. Maar ja, al hulle neges is baie goed, so ek sien uit vir die wedstryd en net die spel, die tipe game wat hulle bring. So dit gaan 'n lekker challenge wees en ja, ek dink ons as span sien baie uit vir die challenge en obviously het hulle klomp goeie spelers, so dit is lekker om teen daai tipe spelers te speel.
Ek bedoel en ek wil dalk net nog iets so byhaak. Ek moet sê in daarso die laaste jare het dit nie altyd daarso so goed daarso met julle gegaan in ander lande nie. Ierland dalk daarso 'n bietjie beter in Wales, maar Ierland nie altyd so goed nie. Daarso wat dink jy? Daarso julle wys geword, jy weet, uit die laaste jare wat dit nie so goed gegaan het as julle daar was nie, maar daarso julle nou kan help, Morney.
Ja, dis 'n baie goeie vraag. Ek dink ons game management hierdie seisoen en ek dink net ons identiteit en hoe ons game verstaan is baie beter. Ek dink ons is baie meer op 'n selfde bladsy en as jy hiernatoe kom en onder druk is, wil jy na X toe kan terugval. En ek voel dis waar ons as 'n span bietjie vorentoe gegaan het. Ons almal verstaan bietjie beter en ons kan dit back, so as dit sin maak.
Ja, ons so baie dankie hoor Morney.
Thanks Manus. Brendan, before we come to you, Jacques, can you just check your camera if it's on, please? I see we're struggling with this.
Do you want to see our faces, gentlemen? I thought it was a voice recording.
There we go. Brendan, you can go.
Thanks. Thanks, guys. Mossy, let's start with you. Maybe just in the past, when the Lions have gone to Leinster, a lot of and not just you guys, South African teams often see it as just a fixture and one that they expect to lose. What are you guys going to do in terms of to get the confidence up to make sure that Leinster understand you're there to win?
Yeah, I think Brendan, first of all, I mean, we all know it's tough touring to Ireland and playing one of the probably oldest clubs in the world, Leinster. But I mean, I think we came here with vision, and that is, we are currently in our season. I think it's make or break for us, always for us. So we came here to win. We're not here to just play around. We're not just to compete. We want to win Saturday's game, and then we'll take it from there. I think at the moment our season has been game for game, and it's all in our own hands. Whatever's going to happen Saturday is not in someone else's hands. We can't expect the other teams to do us favor. I think at the end of the day, it comes down to what we're going to do Saturday, and it comes down to us.
Thanks. And then Morno, for you, obviously you guys have surprised yourselves. I won't say surprised yourself, but proven yourselves in games like against Glasgow with a superb performance there. What would it mean to you guys as players to get a win in Dublin, not just in terms of the season, but just as the development of the group?
Yeah, I think that'll be massive. And like I say, I think we're at a place where we're really backing our game. And if we can prove it to ourselves that game is it's good enough to beat Leinster at their home, then we can really back ourselves in the playoffs. So we're gonna just take it moment for moment, not get ahead of ourselves this weekend, and just really go for it. Yeah.
And then last one for me, Mossy, just for you, one of the big plus points in the Connacht game was you guys' defence. And obviously that's something you're very proud of there as well. Just maybe talk about how the defence has developed over the season, how it's become almost a weapon for you as it was in Connacht when things didn't go the team's way all the time.
I think defence, personally for me, it's the guys have been. I'm very proud of the guys. I think we've grown leaps and bounds the last 4 games. I think from the Bulls game that we came back that Monday, and we had to change a few stuff. And it's just gone better and better. So I think we're hitting the right strings at the right time. I think the guys are also, you can see that it means something for the team and for the players. And I mean, let's be honest, you can have all the systems and all the stuff in the world. You can really see that it means something for these guys when they go onto the field and how they work for each other. So I'm tremendously proud of them.
Thanks, guys. Good luck for the game.
Thanks, Brendan.
Thanks,
Thanks,
Brendan.
Brendan. Good to hear your voice again. Morgan?
Hi everyone. Hi, Coach. Hi, Copy. Coach,
Morgan.
this game, it's got very similar feel to last season when you guys went there. There's a lot of, maybe not as much expectation this time around, but a lot of similarities nonetheless. You guys are going there trying to win the game, keep momentum going, stay in the top half of the standings. Were there any learnings that you guys took from what happened last season and what was 24-6, I think you guys lost? You were very competitive in the first half. Were there any learnings that you're going to be taking from that match to apply to what's coming this weekend and trying to maybe overturn that result?
Oh, for sure. I mean, I think as you mentioned, last year's game, different circumstances. I think we were in the game. At the end, they got a penalty try, and that's, the scorecard didn't reflect how we played on the game. For us now, I think we've had 4 or 5 unbelievable games at home, a lot of confidence. But that's stuff that you need when you come to Leinster to play them here at the Viva Stadium. So not only that, I think we've also found our identity. So we know how we want to play Saturday. We know what we need to do Saturday to win and to beat Leinster. Now it's just, it's just to put a fine tune at training and then rock up on Saturday and put in a good performance.
Coach, I'm happy you mentioned the word identity. I mean, in the last 5 games, you guys have scored, I think it's over 20 tries, if I'm not mistaken. Is that the identity that you're going to be using in this match going forward? Yeah,
I think the way that we've been, or the guys have been defending, we're using our defense as a weapon to go score tries. The more we stay connected, the more we go up and put teams under pressure defensively, the more we're going to get the ball back. And I mean, if you have a look at our players, even our Lucy's is absolutely dangerous with the ball in hand. We're going to punish teams. So for us, it's all about putting teams under pressure, getting the ball back, and converting that pressure into points.
Thanks, Coach. And then just for you, Krappie, it's been a year since you played in Ireland against Leinster. What have you learned in this period from that match to this match?
Yeah, I think again, in that game, everything changed with we knocked the ball on in the 22 and we had all the momentum. One kick changed the game and James Lowe kicked almost like a 50-22. Yeah. So it's playing in the right areas. Really, if you have that momentum to stay on top of them and not have soft moments. I think in the past we've had a lot of soft moments where we maybe just switch off mentally a little bit. So it's really focused to keep that pressure on for 80 minutes.
Thanks.
Cool, thanks,
Thank
Morgan.
you, Morgan.
Colleagues, we are pressed for time, so if we can just keep it to one. Percy, I'll give you one. Manus, I'll come back to you if there's no one else. Percy?
And Niso, thank you so much for the opportunity. Goeiemôre meneer, good afternoon gentlemen, good afternoon colleagues. Jacques, miskien aangesien ek net een vraag gekry, kan ek ook vir jou gou vinnige vraag van Afrikaans vra? Dis baie selde en jy sal my korrigeer as ek verkeerd is in die verlede dat of selde. Ek kan nie nou dat ek ooit gesien het al op die punteleer waar die Lions bo 'n Leinster span op die punteleer lê nie. Herinner my gou vandag, wat is julle motivering hierdie naweek? Wat probeer die Lions bereik hierdie volgende 2 weke?
Ja, ek dink Percy, ek dink ons almal by die Leeu's is op dieselfde bladsy wat ons wil bereik. Ek dink dis die eerste keer so laat in die seisoen dat ons die Leeu's derde lê op die tafel, maar ons weet dat ons nog niks bereik het nie. Ons het nog 2 groot games en ek dink ons vat dit game vir game. Ek dink as ons die naweek die wedstryd wen, is ons hopelik in die top 8 en dan jy weet dan vat ons dit van daar af en dan kan 'n ou baie maklik miskien tweede eindig in die kompetisie en dan home quarters en home semis as jy dan by die huis wen. So dis alles wat nog voor lê, maar ek dink ons grootste uitdaging lê Saterdag hierso in Dublin teen Leinster is om 'n goeie performance daarin te sit, want kom ons wees eerlik, as jy quarters, semis, finals, hierdie is die groot speel, so ons hopelik kan ons 'n goeie performance in se Saterdag.
Maar baie sterkte, baie dankie.
Dankie, Percy.
Manus, let's go with Ross. Ross, give us one and then we'll end off with Manus if there's no one else.
Thanks very much, guys. How's it? Crappy, obviously their team hasn't been named yet, but Jamison Gibson Park, that's always a nice challenge for you personally, a nice little jewel. Top Irish international, a lot of experience. Are you sort of looking forward to a bit of a battle with him if you do come head to head this weekend? I know that you have faced him before, but is that quite exciting for you personally?
Yeah, like I said earlier, I think all their nines are really class players, but like I said, Jamison is one of the best nines in the world, so it's always like good to play against that type of players. I think that is who you want to play against, so yeah, I would love that.
Thanks, Ross. Manus, if there's no one else, you'll take the final one for the afternoon.
Ja, maar net iets van ek ons nou dink, daar was 'n hele week, daar is aangesien julle al Saterdag aangevlieg het. Ek wil dit met julle nogal help om nog 'n hele week nou daar in Ierland, ek moet sê daar te wees. As jy dalk net iets oor dit wil sê asseblief, Morney.
Ja, dis lekker net om die lywe bietjie half net soos half gewoon te kry aan die nuwe sorry, nou gaan we dus in die nuwe omgewing, in die nuwe velde, nuwe beddens, so dit gee jou net bietjie meer tyd om te settle, en dan ja, kan ons lekker hard prep, ek dink dis die lekker ding, ek dink gewoonlik as jy die Saterdag gespeel het, so dis lekker vir ons dat ons nie gespeel het en dan kon vlieg, ek dink as jy gespeel het en om dan dadelik te vlieg, is nie altyd so lekker nie, maar die feit dat ons die Saterdag gespeel het, ons kon travel, Sondag hier kom, gister ordentlik aan die gang kom, vandag 'n baie goeie sessie gehad. So ja, ons kan definitief nie enigstens kla oor hoe ons travel en oor hoe ons prep nie. So ons word die fondasie gegee om die beste performance in te sit wat ons kan. So nou is dit ons verantwoordelikheid om net dit te gebruik en ja, regtig Saterdag te gaan en ons alles te gee.
100 so baie dankie julle hoor.
Thanks, Manus. Colleagues, I think we'll leave it there. I think the gents are looking at their lunch. Coach Jacques, Morney, thanks very much. All the best for the weekend. And colleagues, again, thank you for your time.
Thank you, everyone.
Cheers, julle. Thank you.
Thanks, everyone. Have a good day. Dankie, bye.